Let's start. Today we will see how to use a flexible widget in Flutter Android. First of all, let's see what kind of user interface I am trying to create and why we need the flexible widget for it. Look at this image. Here in this app, we have a row of 3 separate widgets. I have colored them red, green, and blue. The 3 widgets are placed side by side horizontally. The middle widget, which is the red one, occupies twice the area of the other 2 widgets. Right now I have opened this app on a small mobile screen. If I open this app on a wide computer screen, these widgets will occupy the same area of the screen. But how do these widgets know the area of the screen? And how do they divide the area proportionately among themselves? The answer is the flexible widget. Let's see how. This is the main.dart file. First, we import this Dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to a row widget. Inside the row, first, we have a flexible widget. Inside that, we have a container widget. The color of this container is green. Height is 100. And look at this attribute of the flexible widget. The flex attribute is set to 1. So as of now, this flexible widget will occupy the entire row width. Then, we have another flexible widget and a container inside it. Its color is red. The flex attribute is set to 2 now. So the entire width of the screen is now divided into 3 parts, of which, the green container occupies 1 part, and the red container occupies 2 parts. Then, we have the third flexible widget and a container inside it. The color is blue. The flex attribute is set to 1. So the entire width of the screen is now divided into 4 parts, of which, the green container occupies 1 part, the red container occupies 2 parts, and the blue container occupies 1 part. And when I run the app, I get this output. So using the flexible widget, we can have proportionately drawn UI elements in our app. The same can be done inside a column. So that's it. That's how you can use a flexible widget in Flutter Android. Thank you.